Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on down in Birmingham? Want to do a follow-up video for a video that I did a couple weeks ago of my client Anthony. Anthony, this is his first property and it is a 5-bedroom. If you guys remember, this is a property that used to be a church that was transformed into a home, and then Anthony was able to swoop up really quickly. So really happy for him. Guys, want to take you through here, show you what we've done and what is in store. Now, this property didn't even go on the market. We already got a tenant, Section 8, paying $1,356 with a 100% voucher already in, done, no questions asked before we even went on market with it. So I couldn't be more fired up. Let's walk through. I'll show you a little bit about what we did and we'll go from there, okay? Purchase price on this was $72,000. We put $25,000 into the house, financed 20% down. So from a return standpoint, the net cash flow on this is gonna be upwards of about $700 a month, somewhere between $600 and $700 a month. So outrageous. Let's walk through. So guys, if you remember, this house had, if somebody had graffitied the walls and then they had quickly painted over them, what we had to do in here, we had to coat this thing with 3 coats of paint. It's a huge house, it's well over 2,000 square feet. So we repainted everything in this entire house. The paint we choose is a very neutral color always. I know you can't see it very well in this room with the lighting, but we hit it with multiple coats. It's a color that we use on a lot of different things. It's kind of a grayish brownish and it looks really good. It makes the rooms look a lot bigger than they are. Guys, coming in here, we have a brand new door for this bedroom. We painted everything in here throughout the entire house. We do all new carpets. So there's new carpets everywhere in this entire house. Okay, here is a big issue that we're facing, and I know we're not the only ones in the US that are facing this because I'm facing it in other markets as well, but we're having a really hard time getting doors. So this is a door right here, and in a lot of these units, what we do, the size of our doors, we always go for bigger doors, and the reason that we do that is if we can choose properties that have large door frames, we can anticipate to have tenants for a very long time. What I mean by that is, a lot of homes that we buy are single level anyway. Single level homes, when you're putting in Section 8 tenants who might be here for a very long time, is extremely important because as they age, they're more commonly gonna wanna be just like anybody on a singular level floor. Now, why do we use big door frames? Well, we try to go for big door frames and big doors because we want to make sure that these homes can be turned into handicap accessible homes. It's extremely important when you're thinking about the long run for investments. So in here, we changed out all the outlets, put 2 prongs in everywhere because nothing in this room was grounded. We're still waiting on a door for here. We're so backed up with doors, guys, it's terrible, but we were able to get this one, which I'm pretty happy about. So, but aside from that, we're still waiting on a couple to come in here. So guys, in here as well, all new carpets spread throughout this entire place. Everything new, all new carpets, a ton of carpet, as a matter of fact. Coming in here, guys, so you saw bedroom number 1, this is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. Now, in here, we're doing a little bit of electrical work still that we have to touch up here on the ceiling. We're almost done with that. That's why this faceplate is missing because, unfortunately, this light switch doesn't go there, so we just figured that out this morning as far as what we need to do to remedy that and rectify that. So, coming through here, guys, this is our laundry room. If you remember, really didn't need much. We just painted the whole place to make it look good. Coming in here, if you recall, our issue here was we had some significant issues with the flooring. It was buckling, it was bundled, it wasn't snapped together right. It's a beautiful floor, so what we did was we had our laminate guy in here. He was in here for a very long time, picking up a lot of these pieces, relaying them, and redoing this floor so that it fits closer together. Everything's a lot better. It's more usable. There's no bubbles anymore. There's no buckling. There's no issues. And then again here, guys, we need a new door here. We need a new door there, but we can't get doors. So when those come in, they'll go right in. otherwise, everything in here is really, really good. So I'm really happy with how that floor turned out. Moving through here, and we actually passed the kitchen, but we didn't do anything else in the kitchen from that prior video, only painted it. So as we're walking through here, guys, originally this was the back half of the home, as we just left bedroom number 3, moving to the back of the house. This was a big open room. It had a door here. You open it up and you're in a room, and then there's a bedroom off it. It was kind of a bonus room. So we totally changed the structure of the back half of this house. What we did was we removed the door here. Okay, now it's a doorway. What we did instead was we built a wall. Okay, we built this entire wall here and put new outlets in, redid all this, put a new door in here, new closet doors, and what we did here was carpeted this room, turned this into a bedroom. So this was one of our bedrooms. This is now our 4th bedroom, which came out fantastic. Originally, it was off of a bonus room, and it was in the back of the house. And when this home was marketed to us, it was marketed as a bedroom off a bedroom. And basically, you were supposed to open a door into a bedroom and then walk through that bedroom to get to this bedroom. Don't like doing things like that. So what we did instead was we created this hallway over here, which is why this wall is the way that it is. So created the wall here, and then built another bedroom in the back of the house, which is about an hour and a half away from being completely done, because what we did was we built a closet as well, because it wouldn't be a legal bedroom without a closet. So we built this in here, we painted this as well, and it just came out absolutely fantastic. So not only that, guys, but we have a separate egress in the back of the house, so very private for whoever has this bedroom. It's very private, very nice, and really, really happy. So for Anthony, to have this be his first rental property, his first Section 8 property, for him to be making $13.56 per month in guaranteed rent on an investment like this, and a house like this does not come along very often. We're always adding bedrooms for clients. We're always doing it because we can add so much value. Now when this home goes for resale, instead of $72,000, this goes back up on the market at $129, $139. It's a 5-bedroom. There are not a lot of 5-bedroom homes, never mind 5-bedroom homes that are this incredibly spread out. So really happy for Anthony, and guys, if you want to get into stuff like this, it's extremely possible. You don't have to live here. You don't have to live close to here. Get in the description, send me an email, we'll get started, and we'll see you next time.